How can you actually create these Instagram top 9 posts? Here in the video you will learn it step by step. First, of course, you have to go to the website top9.co. However, this is how it was done in the past. Top 9 is now part of CreatorKid. From Top 9 you will be redirected directly to this new website. I have written the direct link once in the video description here down below, as well as linked in a blog post, depending on where you are watching this video from. On the CreatorKid website you will find everything you are looking for in the upper area. The possibility to create your own collage from your most popular photos on Instagram. Further down the page there is a link to the Top 9 app, but it also works directly from the website. Now enter the exact username of your Instagram account in the username field, including any underscore and number you may use in your account name. By the way, you can also enter any other Instagram account name, like Kylie Jenner's, Barack Obama's or Caro Dauer. In this video, we will look at, among others, the top 9 pictures on Instagram from Caro. To do this, I typed in the name and confirmed this via the Enter key. Now you are asked to enter an email address, so that you later receive a link to your own top 9 creation if searching through the account with all the likes takes too long. Unfortunately, you can't avoid this step, but you can also just type in anything into the field of the email address. And after a few seconds, the Top 9 2020 collage from Caro Dauer's Instagram account is created. By clicking on More Templates, you will be referred back to the Top 9 app. So now either take a screenshot of the Top 9 result or click on Share. Here you now have the choice of a total of 5 designs. Select your favorite and it will be downloaded to your device. It works from a computer as well as from a smartphone or tablet. If you want to create the Top 9 2020 collage for another account, just click on the CreatorKid logo on the left side of the website to return back to the homepage and type in a new username. Important, you must type in an email address each time. So, how many posts did you create this year and how many likes did you get in total? Share your results as a comment below the video on YouTube. Now I wish you a very happy New Year 2021